What's up everyone, and welcome to this video. And in this video we're gonna learn how to override a style, and there's actually multiple ways you can override a style. So in CSS, the way the code works, whatever comes in the bottom is usually what CSS will actually take. So for example, if I have in my index.html, I have this hello world, and it says H6. Let's actually make it H2 just to make it bigger so you guys can see. So this H2 is actually colored in black, as you guys can see right here. So for example, if I put in my in my style.css, if I want in the bottom here, if I want H2 to be, let's say, red. So if I say that I want the color of it to be red, it's going to become red, correct? But for example, if I put another tag and write that I want it to be blue, so now it'll get confused which one should I go to, but technically it won't. It's going to read this first, and then it's going to read that second, and it's going to go do the blue one. So it's going to read that last one only. So even though I have two tags that I want one to be red and one to be blue, but it is only going to read the bottom one. So for example, if I actually wanted to read the blue one, I can use another override. And I wanted to read the red one, I can do another override, and it's called important. So if I write exclamation mark and write important, and then put a semicolon, if I actually refresh, it's gonna become red because it's gonna do the one that I told it to be important. Okay, so something else, if I, for example, have H1 has a class, correct? CSS will read the class as more important than an actual regular declaration of style. So for example, if I write color for H1, which also has a class of red text, which is right here, if I give it a color of black and then save, nothing will actually happen because it thinks class is stronger than a regular declaration such as this. Same thing for ID. So if I give an ID of I'm gonna give it, say, just says hello. So even if I put it to the bottom of my class red.text, if I write just hello, and I give it also a color of, let's say, green, it's gonna read the ID because ID is more stronger. And even if I put it to the top of the class, just to prove that it's not depending on where it is, when I save it and refresh, it's also going to stay green. Also, if I move, just to prove a point, even if I move this to there at the end as well, and then save it and refresh, same idea. So to recap, we have ID is the strongest. Actually, whatever is strongest is if I write important. So this is the strongest one to overwrite. And then after that, it comes the ID. And then the class comes after that. And then the order of what things comes first and what comes second. Whatever comes at the end usually overrides whatever comes first. So I know it's a little bit confusing, but I hope you guys got the hang of it. Just experiment it for a little bit, and I guarantee you'll understand it right away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos as well. Thank you so much, and have a great day.